So moving with the velocity 70 numbers. So final velocity is going to 0 and this is 72 kilometer per hour. We can convert it to meter per second as is given. And basically what is acceleration? Why the car is stopping? Because of acceleration, and acceleration is what? Acceleration is what? Basically you can keep in your brain mu into g. Because of friction, the acceleration is mu into g. So you can apply the concepts now. So I'm showing calculation parts over here. So you apply the questions, you will get the answers. Okay, b square equals to 2 mu z. So from means u square equals to 2 mu z. So basic equation is coming. Mu equals to u square 2ac. And after putting all the values, answer will come 0.67. I hope you understood the concepts. So these all concepts are very important for J exams point of view. Next, we're moving for next questions. If the above car got a stopping distance of 80 meter on cement road, then mu k is okay. So basically, what a stopping distance of 80 meter on cement road. So basically, now a stopping distance is changed. Okay, now stopping distance is what 80 meters. So again, you apply the same concept here. V square minus u square. So in place of s put 80 meter. Okay, so you'll get the values of mu equals to 0.25 now. So if you understand the concepts, so you can easily do all the types of questions possible for your examination point of view. So for that, you need to understand the concepts. Concepts is very important. Yeah. Wooden blocks placed on the inclined planes, the block goes to slide and the angle of inclination is increased to 35 degrees, then coefficient of friction is ordering. So basically, I already explained you the concepts of angle of repose. Tan theta is equals to tan theta is equals to what mu. Use that concept, you can get it answer. So mu is 10 alpha, so tan 35 degrees. So basically, tan 35 is 90 minus 55, that is cot of 55 degrees. Again, this is important because it looks very easier, but it's very good questions. That's why I mentioned here. So you should know the concept, how I'm applying and how I'm getting the questions. So what is our purpose is to know you the process so that you can get do fast conclusion. Okay, for your examination point of view. Okay, so it's not about the solving the questions, it's about your accuracy and speed. Okay, to get good rank. Yeah, now coming for next questions. The block of mass m is resting on inclined plane. So when the angle of inclination gradually increases to theta, the block just begins to slide down the plane. What minimum force applied parallel to the plane on the block will just make the block move up the plane. I already explained you this concept in the starting of the concepts. Okay, so I'm showing you the calculation part. This is options already given. The minimum force which the block slides down the inclined plane is what up mg sin theta. So obviously, minimum force which block slides down the inclined plane is mg sin theta and just up. So if you are putting up, okay. So here it will come. See, situation question asking minimum force, so you will not go with 2 mg sin theta. Okay. Question is asking us what a minimum force. What minimum force applied parallel to the plane of the block would just make the block move up the plane. Okay, so see, think like this. If you are a question not didn't mention about anything, didn't mention about any friction and anything.